of my YouTube channel. The specimen which you are seeing is a squamous cell carcinoma. The squamous cell carcinoma sites are skin, oral cavity, esophagus, uterine cervix, penis, and the most common site, that is the one which you are seeing. Grossly, you can see there the tumor is nodular and ulcerative or fungating growth and polypoid mass on the leg, and it is a right sided leg. And on the cut section, the growth shows gray white exophytic and endophytic tumor. Exophytic means the tumor grows inside also and the tumor grows outside also. There is a deposition of the layers. Next, microscopically, what you can see, here you can see the microscopic, there is a formation of keratin pulse, and around the keratin pulse there is whorl of malignant squamous cells, and there is a downward endophytic as well as outward exophytic proliferation of squamous epithelial cells. Means the tumor grows outside also and the inward also, and there is increase in the number of layers. The mass of a tumor cells invade through the basement membrane into the subepithelial dermis. So here you can see that the tumor is invading into the dermis. That is downward proliferation of the tumor, as it is a squamous cell carcinoma. In the better differentiated tumor, and the tumor cells are arranged in a concentric layers of the walls containing the keratin pearl at the center, and you can see the lymphocytes also. So here is the microscopic picture. You can see there is a formation of a keratin pearl, and there is also whorl of malignant squamous cells. This is from Hirschman pathology. Wait for 2 seconds. Here is the correct microscopic picture, means it is well we can zoom it. So here you can see a beautiful keratin pearl, and keratin pearl is a very significant of a squamous cell carcinoma. Here you can see a beautiful keratin pearl, and this keratin pearl surrounds a wall of malignant squamous cells. Means wherever there is a keratin pearl, and it will be surrounded by a wall of squamous malignant cells. Means the squamous cells will be proliferating around that keratin pearl. Means squamous cells will proliferate and form a keratin pearl inside it. So here also keratin pearls are there. So keratin pearls are characteristics of squamous cell carcinoma, and these squamous cell carcinoma are epidermoid. Means imagine this is a skin. Means imagine this is a skin. This tumor will grow outside also, and this tumor will grow inside also. So there will be lymphocyte infiltration also. So you can see the lymphocytes also. This is a characteristic of squamous cell carcinoma. So next is a basal cell carcinoma. Basal cell carcinoma is also known as rodent ulcer, and it is a nodulo-ulcerative carcinoma. Means there is formation of nodules and ulcer because it proliferate downwards. The tumor burrows into the underlying tissue like a rodent and destroys them. Means the tumor is not only on the skin, it also burrows inwards and forms the ulcer type. Microscopically, what you can see, the tumor cells resemble normal basal cell layer of the skin and grow downwards from the epidermis in a variety of pattern like solid masses, nests, islands, and stand keratotic masses, adenoid, etc. And the pattern is palisade arrangement is a characteristic feature of this basal cell carcinoma. So I will show the palisade arrangement in this. So you can see this is a palisade arrangement everywhere. Palisade means the one which is hold to cattles. Like cattles do not to go away from the farm. We put some palisade like this so that the cattles remain inside and can't come outside. This is the characteristic of basal cell carcinoma, that is palisade arrangement. And there is also a space between the stroma. As the stroma shrinks, there is a space you can see here. This space here is also space. This space is a characteristic of basal cell carcinoma. And you can say the tumor cells. These tumor cells, how they are tumor cells? The tumor cells are basophilic with hyperchromatic nuclei. Basophilic means blue color and with hyperchromatic nuclei. So we will next move to the real picture. So here you can see the real picture of basal cell carcinoma which I have took. What you can see, let me concentrate. So here you can see the palisading. Palisading means they are arranged in a palisade like, and inside you can see the tumor cell proliferation, that is hyperchromatic basophilic tumor cells, and there is a palisade arrangement. Not only that palisade arrangement, you can see some spaces also where the stroma is retracted. Wait a second, I will show correctly. Here it is little visible. So you can see here is a nice palisade arrangement palisade arrangement is there, and these are the inside tumor cells, and you can see the stroma is retracted here. Stroma, this retraction is characteristics of basal cell carcinoma. Here is also stroma retracted, and there is palisade arrangement here, and inside there are tumor cells. Here is the microscopic view of a basal cell carcinoma, where you can see the palisade arrangement is very much clear. As you can see, here is a beautiful palisade arrangement. Inside there are a proliferation of the tumor cells. And how are the tumor cells? The tumor cells are basophilic with hyperchromatic nuclei. And one more characteristic feature of this basal cell carcinoma is the retracted stroma. So when we can see here, there is a stroma is retracted from these tumor cells. A space is there now here. This is the retracted stroma, and it is a characteristic features of a basal cell carcinoma. So hope you like this video, and please subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.